Who wants a rich, creamy tiramisu dessert? I do. Then I realized what it takes to make one. Cooking the egg custard to a specific temperature, finding mascarpone cheese.
Mascarpone.
Lady fingers? Wow.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Well, I wanted tiramisu, so I decided to make this recipe. It's so easy and you can find all the ingredients wherever you are. You will need about 4 medium or 5 small bananas. Let's mash 2 bananas to get about 3/4 cups. Now beat your butter, sugar until it's mixed. And then add your egg and vanilla. Now mix this for 2 to 3 minutes until the batter is light in color and creamy. Go ahead and add your mashed banana and just mix it for about 15 seconds. Sift in your flour. And it would really help me out if you click that thumbs up below if you like this recipe. If you're new to my channel, I upload new recipes every Saturday. And don't miss future recipe by subscribing to my channel and turning on that notification bell. Fold that in until the flour is incorporated. To catch condensation, place a paper towel on top of the rice cooker before closing. Now press the cook button and then set a timer for 30 minutes. Make sure the whipping cream is very cold or it will not beat to a stiff peak. It depends on your whipping cream. Beat this for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then put it in the refrigerator for use later. And it's time for our second bake. Again, press the cook button and then set a timer for 30 minutes. If you are new to baking in your rice cooker, there are a few important reminders to keep in mind. So this is after the second bake, and it is done, and that's 1 hour. Cool it for about an hour or more. While the cake cools, let's have some coffee. So I did use 1 rounded teaspoon of black instant coffee. You can use more or less for your taste. Just kidding. We need some coffee to brush on the bread. And I'm adding almond extract. You don't have to if you have rum extract or vanilla extract. Just use that. Now slice 2 bananas into about 1/2 centimeter thick. Once the bread is fully cool, then slice it. And this is a really good, soft, moist, plain banana bread as well. So if you just want a plain banana bread, just do this recipe. And slice it into 1 centimeter thick slices. Then lay 1 layer on the bottom of a cake pan or a deep dish. Just cover most of the bottom with the cake, cutting into smaller pieces if you need to. Then brush the bread with half of the coffee mix. Now add 1/3 of the whipped cream and do a thin layer on the bread. Then top it with a layer of the sliced bananas. Now add another 1/3 of the whipped cream and smooth it out. And lastly, lay down another layer of the banana bread. Again, just covering as much of the surface as you can with pieces. Brush on the rest of the coffee mixture and make more if you do need more. Then add all the whipped cream and smooth it out. Now dust it with a layer of cocoa powder, and then it's ready to eat! Carefully lift the slices. Well, here's a perfectly cut slice for this video. Oh, yummy-licious. Look at that layer. Oh yeah, you have to make this one. It tastes so heavenly. This slice has been chilled overnight in the refrigerator and it still looks delicious and cuts a lot better too. Both, whether fresh or chilled, was absolutely delicious. If you want a decadent dessert, make this one. And this banana bread tiramisu is at a 3 sweet tooth sweetness scale level. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will really appreciate it if you give me the thumbs up down below if this video was helpful and enjoyable. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, why not? Click on that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you know when I upload new videos. And I should hope that you will come back and watch more videos. But until next time, happy baking!